911. Someone please help me! I'm a monster.
Dude, Alex, get out of my pool! What are you doing?
I've been expecting this. You may be wondering why I'm sitting here today in the pool to talk to you. I'm going to tell you about how eye contact can make or break any business relationship. Now basically, I'm sexy. And when you take sexy and you mix it with McDonald's, you get Tom Ball. And Tom Ball, it's not your everyday man. Tom Ball is what you call gay. Now, I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Oh my God, there's a snake!
What up? I'm the Snake Slayer. Today I'm gonna go wrestle a rare rat armadillo snake. So check this. Here you go.